Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today, in the daily newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, October the 7th, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku a mix. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus, and yeah, in a couple of days, I think the coming Saturday, I will reduce the Sudokus in additional Sudoku. I won't do all the Sudokus because it's too much for me to record it, to upload it is too much. Too many hours I spend with the Sudokus, so I think in additional I will do the Sudokus with 3 stars and 4 stars. Then I will do the tectonics. So yeah, I will do 4 out of 8. So it's still a lot, but I need to reduce it because too much time I spend, and I don't have any spare time for myself. So I need the time for myself to do other things. But first, I will solve this irregular Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. This will be a number 1704. And what kind of a binary Sudoku is this one? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Let me see. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have here 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this is not the solution. This should be an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, and O, there an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, and O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then we need to count, I think. 1, 2, 3, 1. No. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yes. Let me see. 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then do we need to compare? That's the question. Yeah. No. 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 4 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. If I place, no, this is correct. Alright, let me continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have still 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. We have here double O here and 1 there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1 there 1. Then 3. No. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place a 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column, so not allowed. So this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, and 1 there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O here, 1 there 1. Finished in 9 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku medium. So see you later. Bye bye for now.